I've always been a fan of every iteration of Johnny Quest. When it comes to creating a teenager group for my adventure team, these Harry Potter figures are great for bringing this idea to life.
These figures have decent articulation.
And it's cool that they have at least one hand that can grip things.
I used a pattern for 10-inch figures I found at chellywood.com to make khaki pants for her. I gave her some large pockets in the front.
And one pocket on the leg. I also added a few loops and hooks so she can carry gear. I think it's cool that she can put her hands in her pockets. I might make or find a different shirt for her. This black blouse is from Barbie. It looks kinda weird around her neck. I'm still not sure what to do with her hair. I used a loose rubber band to pull it back. I should ask my daughters if they can put her hair up in a braid. Her pants are kinda short, but I don't care. I used the socks and shoes she came with. I'm thinking that she would be the social media expert for Brass Eagle Adventure Team. Maybe she posts stories and blogs about the team. I think that would be cool. I have this backpack from the Get Real Girl line that will work great for carrying her gear. I think she's going to be a fun character for my Brass Eagle Adventure stories. I found a cool black long sleeve shirt for Harry. He has that Johnny Quest look I'm going for. His Alice belt suspenders fit with no modifications. I'm not sure what toy line it came from, but it's cool. Since he's going to be Darren and Samantha's son, it only makes sense that he would be interested in mountain climbing. I found a cool shoulder bag for him to carry his gear in. I'm still not sure if I'm going to use both Rons and make them twins or something. One of the Rons has a small blemish on his face. They might pass as twins. I found some old bootleg Me Go boots for the boys. The camo outfit I made for Cora fits these Harry Potter figures. I'll have to make them some better t-shirts later. The t-shirt on Ron 2 is one I made for my g.i.joes a few years ago. It's a little baggy, but it works. One of the Rons will be interested in drones and RC cars. I have another backpack from the Get Real Girl line that will be great for carrying his gear. The other Ron will be interested in advanced recon, listening devices, and surveillance. I made this parabolic microphone a while back. It was an experiment, but I liked how it turned out. The dish is a lid from those Mio-flavored liquid water enhancers. It needs some headphones or something. I'll have to make more of these and create a video for them. I also found one of those scopes I made for Cora. It fits in his hand pretty good. He also has an old Barbie phone I painted black a while ago. I found a bag for him to carry his gear in. The binoculars also are a perfect size. It's going to be fun creating photo stories for them. I hope I can capture the Johnny Quest vibe with them. I've given them names, but I'm not sure if I'm going to change them. It's still a work in progress. What do you think of these Harry Potter figures? Do you think they would make cool teenagers for your team? Let me know in the comments section below.
Hey guys, wanted to apologize if some of my voiceover sounds a bit robotic. I'm trying a new method of editing, reading off a script and recording. I'm gonna try to get better at it, so just bear with me. I'm still trying to work the kinks out of it, so if it sounds like that, that's probably why. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. Liking, commenting, sharing, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.